Today I will show you new creative pin cup idea, stapler pin. Now first you have to open the stapler pin from the box. The set of stapler pin have to be placed within each other. Now one set stapler pin is placed. Now stapler pin set place. Then now set stapler pin and now again set stapler pin. Now set 2 pin stapler pin. Now 3 set stapler pin. Then next this video see, just you can try it. This video wonderful now, and just see you. Then next step, one set stapler pin. Now top set stapler pin C2. Now wow, set this complete top place nicely. Okay, then set top place stapler pin. Then now beautiful stapler pin cup made. Then arrangement next level, C2 video. Then set in the place stapler pin. Now then two together will be a set of stapler pin top place. Friends, see to this video, you can try. Okay, just now top place. Wow, wonderful video, new generation creative idea. My creative new idea stapler pin cup. Then I tie it. Yes, position two together set stapler pin top place. Now then okay, wow, beautiful. Thanks for watching.